What's up, my crypto legends? Andy here. Let's dive in here straight into this Bitcoin update. As you can see, we're still range trading. There has been really nice opportunities here inside of this massive range. Okay, for scalping, we can go through that in here in just a couple of minutes. But let's zoom out and just talk about where we are right now, because it is true that the lows haven't been retested. Are the lows going to be retested here at 21,900? Well, this is what I'm waiting here for, a potential swing long position to see a failed breakout. Of course, I do not know if it's going to fail, or are we going to massively break through this level. What I want to see here from this low is potentially being hit, getting a bounce from this weekly level, okay, from the second week of February. All right, we do have a nice strong weekly level, and hitting that naked point of control, that point of control that hasn't been hit yet. When we take a look at this consolidation from the 10th to the 15th of February, right, we do have a point of control right there that hasn't been hit from this consolidation. If we do test the lows and fail to break out, hit that weekly, this is something that I'm going to be taking a look at, okay, for that potential long. I would have to see that failed move down. Now, we do not know if it's going to hit that level and then straight through it, okay? We want to see a consolidation at that range on the higher time frames. Now, what is happening right over here? There's some few things here. This is also a major support level, as we do have the higher lows. As you can see right there, we just tapped that level to perfection and got the bounce, guys. If you do connect the higher lows here from January, right over here, we have 3 points of touch. We touched that level really nicely and got that bounce. Now, yes, a few days ago, we got a massive drop with a large amount of volume. What usually happens is that you do consolidate and you potentially get a dead cat bounce scenario, okay? You can get that nice little bounce before some continuation to the upside or break the resistance. Now, this is something that I want to talk about as well, as we are creating here these lower highs, as you can see right over here, and these slightly lower lows. For the moment, we have held the support level. This has been a fake out from these lower lows as we are holding from these higher lows. So very interesting zone over here as we can be holding this. It's going to be very, very important to note if we were to get this bounce, okay, and hit that 22,900, 23K levels. Guys, we need to remember that this is a huge resistance, but we are forming a descending wedge scenario, and on the higher time frames, we are trading to the upside. So if we are looking for any short positions, if we were to hit this level in the next couple of days, we want to be very, very cautious, okay? We want to see a reaction. We want to see exhaustion, okay? And failed breakouts, okay, at this point of control from this range to potentially get into that short. I'm worried about this level hitting it, okay, and then absolutely exploding out. This is also a possibility, okay? So this is something that we're going to be taking a look, all right, in the next coming days, looking at the higher time frames. Quick reminder for those traders, Bybit is my favorite trading platform, okay? If you do sign up with the link in the description, I get a commission, but you do get the best bonus available, which is $30,000. My top one crypto trading platform, Bybit. If we zoom in on the 15-minute, go to the lower time frames, guys, and zoom in, I mean, there's been massive opportunities at this range, okay? We're such in a large zone. If you were here on yesterday's live stream, well, yesterday's live stream was absolutely crazy. We did get into a really nice trade. I didn't, okay, but we did call this on the live stream. Many different scalping scenarios. If you haven't watched yesterday's live stream, please do, because it was really nice, okay? Really different setups, all right? There was either the swing failure pattern, all right, from this high over here, okay, from this high right there. We failed to break out. We talked about, the volume strategy, long positions, okay, volume strategy, long positions. There was a really nice short right over here. If you held this short, okay, to the lows, definitely, in profit. Also a major long position from a Gartley pattern and a resistance turning into support. Guys, you need to go and take a look at the live stream, because it was, pretty intense, talking about, this was a good short, this is a good long right over here to this level during that live stream, okay, the last, about 20-30 minutes of the live stream, talking about these setups. Pure educational content, guys. Make sure to check it out, because it played out really nicely. Right now with Bitcoin, what has happened, okay, if we do take a look at this massive zone, we are we are back inside of the value area, okay? We do take a look at the fixed range here. All right, We're back inside of the zone. We got the point of control, big level at 22,340 approximately. You know, this level point of control could hold our support, and we could retest the resistance here at the value area high and potentially break it again, guys. One of the main reasons why I think that we could get that bounce, of course, is because of this big massive drop. We kind of need a bigger relief rally before any continuation to the downside, in my personal opinion. And what I want to explain also here, looking at the 1 hourly time frame, okay, let's get this wedge out of the way. You know, these are just scenarios to take a look at, guys. Of course, we can take advantage of many moves here. What I want to explain is this bump and run scenario. We kind of broken out from this zone. Funny enough, we have got supported, guys, right? We know the deal about this bump and run, right? We got the lower highs, we have the bump phase, and then the potential run phase. For the moment, check out how we've had this breakout, okay? And on the lower time frames, the volume is relatively high on this move. We've had the breakout, we've had the touch as support from that level, guys. Now is the moment. Are we going to manage to have that massive momentum to the upside, to that 22.9, 23K levels? I think is a very, very much possible, guys. You know, we need a kind of a relief rally before seeing any potential continuation to the upside. Let's see how we hit this level, all right, if we are going to get this pumpy action, all right? For the moment, this is it, guys. I'll be doing a live stream afterwards. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.